Hey everyone. So today we are going to discuss very interesting SQL question here. So in this question we have to write a SQL query to report whether each triad of the three line segments in the given data can form a triangle or not. So in this question we are given one table. So this is the table that we have been given to us, and this is the sample output that we have to write a query to find the sample output like this. So here we have three columns X, Y and Z. These columns denotes the line segments. So X denotes line segment, Y denotes another line segment, and Z denotes another line segment. So now we have to find whether these line segments form a triangle or not. So we have to create a new column with the name triangle, and then we have to write whether if it forms a triangle, then we have to write yes, and if it does not forms a triangle, we have to write no. And we have been given that three line segments can form a triangle only if the sum of any two segments is larger than the third one. So guys, we have been given the condition that if the three line segments will form a triangle only if the sum of any two segment is larger than the third one. So this question can easily be solved using case when statement. So using the case when statement, we will create a separate column that the name of that column will be triangle, and we will just apply the condition that if the sum of two values is greater than the third one, then the value will form a triangle, and then we can just return yes if the condition is true, and we can return no if the condition is not true. So I'll go to my MySQL workbench. Here I have already created a table with the name triangle. So this table name is triangle, I'll say triangle. So the name of this triangle, this table is triangle. So I'll just since I said that we will be solving this using case when statement, so I'll simply write my query here. So select from triangle. This is my table name. Now the I have to find these columns in my, I want these many columns in my output X, Y, Z in triangle. So simply I can write I want X column, then I want Y column, and then I want Z column. At the last, I'll be writing for the triangle column. So for the triangle column, I'll just write the case when statement. So case when, since we had a condition that if uh, if sum of any two segments is larger than the third one, it will form a triangle. So I'll just write my condition that if when x plus y, sorry, x plus y is greater than z and x plus z is greater than y and y plus z is greater than x. So I have taken all the cases of these three segments, whether x plus y should be greater than z, and x plus z should be greater than y, and y plus z should be greater than x. Then if this condition satisfies, then we have to write yes, else we have to write no, and I'll just end this, and then I'll give the table alias as triangle. So this is how I'll be doing it. At the last, we have to apply some order by condition that return the result table ordered by x, y, and z in ascending order. So I'll be writing my order by condition here. So order by x, comma, y, comma, z. So this is how my query looks like. I'll just run my query. Just give me 1 second, guys. Okay, yeah. So this is my query. I'll just select my query here and I'll run. So we have got X, Y, and Z, and we have got one separate column, that is the triangle column. And at last we have sorted the table by X, Y, Z columns in ascending order using the order by clause. So guys, I hope the question is clear to you. And since this is a very easy problem, we just use case when statement to solve this problem. So I hope the solution is helpful to you. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.